Everyone is taught these lies when they go to school, but I won't go back to the ball. And anyone who doesn't look again must love the rulers. I won't go back to the ball. I can't believe that shit. 'Cause when you take a step back and look at it, everything they show you is CGI. Gotta ask yourself why. Well, you can tell me gravity accounts for space and time, but I won't go back to the ball. 'Cause I will trust my senses over Newton and Einstein. I won't go back to the ball. I can't believe we believe that shit. 'Cause when you take a step back and look at it, everything they show us is CGI. Gotta ask yourself why.
Launch control, this is Houston. We are go for launch.
So what exactly do you think all those theories prove? 'Cause I won't go back to the ball. All it takes is two clear eyes to see the earth don't move. I won't go back to the ball. We can't believe that shit. 'Cause when we take a step back and look at it, everything they show us is CGI. You really gotta ask yourself why don't they just take a photograph?
We don't have time for a meeting of the flat earth.